Hello everybody, this is Uptown Swing solo jazz, classical moves and improvisation. First thing we worked on was breaks. We had these 3 breaks. 8, 1, ba, 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 ba. Should try and break a little bit more. The other one was 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You may know what I'm trying to do. And we had low turn. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we just did what we did the previous week where we walked around to music, sometimes did move we already know, but we tried to make sure that we hit that 4th 8 because we played a lot of A music, and then incorporated the breaks into our dancing. We did that. Then we did this little exercise where we took 2 moves and tried to smoosh them into 1 8. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just square and